Hello guys, good morning. I'll be showing you one rather it's not one. My trade executions for the previous week. It's for gold. So let's start with the Monday. Last week I took 3 days, like tatlong araw lang nag-trade yan. So as for my first trade, it should be within Asian session on Monday. Should be around this part here. So breaking down this trade, what I expect from the previous week. Looking back at this chart, so let's count. It's Thursday, Friday. This is the Monday. So as you can see, price here has some rejection, and it took some liquidity right above this. So I'm expecting a retest on this day. This is a daily chart. So going to 1 hour chart, and on the Monday we have the retest here, and we have an imbalance. So, and what we can notice is yung flow na direction niya. There's no resistance or whatsoever. So, I'm expecting na yung price will just take this one. This liquidity is right here. Okay, so going to trade execution after confirming yung direction na this could passively hold. I'm going to a lower time frame, whether it's 15 minutes or 5 minutes. So let's go to this day. I should took a trade on the 15-minute time frame. It have an order block, and I'm sure this price will hold since this is an equal high and we have a liquidity here. So I can assume this one is TP1 for me. So I took my profit registering here. So it's like 1:2. Mhm. Yan. So dito ako napag-entry. Pero I'm looking for this one on the higher time frame. Although nag-play out siya Friday na, pero the good thing is I made some profit here. And lastly, this is my last TP. So I know that's for my trade on the Monday. As for the New York session, meron trade din ako during New York session. It gives me another opportunity. Like this one. This one, since we know naman in 1 hour, diba? So 1 hour time frame, we have an extreme bearish trend here, and we still have this liquidity. So may untapped liquidity pa tayo dito, and na-respect niya area na to. So it means na pagka-tap niya dito, instead na mag-reversal siya pa ganun to continue this uptrend, diba? So market is trending upward. Ang ginawa niya is market just continues downward by consolidating here. Okay, so going back to lower time frame, here's what you can see. Price consolidates during 3 p.m. to 6, so it's during London session. So zooming out to this one, as you can see, price is just consolidating here. It's respecting this area, so it's not getting this liquidity. So what we can do, or what we can check here, I have two ways to enter on this one. First, I just look on to 9:30 here. Okay, this is the, I don't know if it's the news or something, but the first stop on this one, I just waited for the reaction of the price here. Tinap niya yung liquidity natin. And look what we can observe here. On the 5-minute time frame, we have massive rejection wick. Despite having some low, ang binigay niya lang sa taas is mababa. So, it means price wants to go downward kasi weeks tells a story, diba? So it should give us like, if there's a rejection, it should give us another reaction like this one, like here, or like here. Pero it didn't give that. But instead, it respect this area. So what we can see here, we have an order block as well. And in 15 minutes, here, sorry, we have this inverse fair value gap here. So inverse fair value gap as well as a fair value gap. So you can enter here and just use this one, like short position, just this part, and targeting our here. If you're not sure, just use a projection kasi nakita ko na meron siyang accumulation, manipulation, and distribution during New York session. So it gives me around 1:2, targeting this one. Okay, just a quick 3 minutes trade, 10%, if I'm not mistaken. Medyo nakalimutan ko. 3 minutes trade lang din. No. It's 12 minutes straight. So, bago siya nag-TP. It's 1:3. Risk reward. Yan. May na-SL din ako, pero not with this chart. As for my last trade, so it should be on Tuesday. So, tayo natin down. So, okay. Tuesday. Here. So, during Tuesday, decide na baka di na mag-trade or something. So, I just had found an opportunity on opening ng New York session. Here, as we can see on the higher time frame during Tuesday. Okay, this is our Monday, this is our Tuesday, right? So, on the higher time frame on our Tuesday, the price just drops here on Monday, and I'm expecting to accumulate or consolidate yung price. Okay, so I'm looking for a setup na target is yung baba. Pero in this case, I found something here on 5 minutes and 15 minutes time frame before New York open. So, oh, I have a replay button pala. I didn't. I almost forget that. So, here, as you can see naman, market's consolidating. It has a trending downward, pero every time na kukunin nyo yung liquidity here sa baba, nagre-react yung price. Okay? So, both our range will be respected despite being downward. So, the downside, as we can see, ang kinukuha niya is mga previous low bago siya mag-react. On the upward side, ang mga kinukuha niya at nare-respect niya lagi is mga liquidities here, like order blocks, fair value gaps, okay? So, I presume or I assume na price could go back into this range here. Actually, muntik na may SL dito. Natakot na ako. So, ayun. It's 1:1.5 lang. Medyo, pangit. Ito pinakapangit ko na trade sa gold. So, that's my trade for this gold. As for the other trades on the other chart, I'll be sharing on a different videos, okay? So, it will be a series for my previous week trades.